Yeah. DVD video. This song directed by Ridley Scott. Good Ridley Scott film.
Slow, boy. We're gonna put a man inside a machine. He suffered 4th-degree burns over 80% of his body. If he survives, he'll be paralyzed from the waist down, confined to a wheelchair.
Say you can save him. What does that mean? What kind of life will he have?
As soon as this matters, it's you. What the hell did you do to me? Make him more practical. Make him look, let's go with black. When the machine fights, the system releases signals into Alex's brain, making him think he's in control. But he's not. It's the illusion of free will. I selected 13 targets, all wanted for murder. This is the future of American justice.
In 2014, Straight Nowhere
You need to
returns.
speak to your son.
He's in trouble.
Somehow, he's overriding the system's priorities.
The human element will always be present. Compassion, fear, instinct, they will always interfere with the system. Dead or alive, you're coming with me.
RoboCop 2014.
You have the real gift. I want you to make this place proud. But gambling is forbidden on campus.
I owe 60 grand tuition due next week. And that's if I don't eat.
Change your tune, or you won't have a school to pay for.
Is your plan to gamble for your tuition money? It must be really nice to have your education paid for. I've been 3 tabling. Statistically, it's the right play. This is the one you wait for. Maybe he was waiting for you.
Look how far outside the normal win rates the guys have beat you on.
I was cheated.
You're about to jet off to a country you've never been to, with a language you do not speak. Do you have any idea how crazy this is? Richie first.
This is the house.
Why the house?
The house always wins, which is why we don't have to cheat people.
But the math is right. Am I missing something?
No, programmers decided to write a backdoor to the code. You saw it. Came to me. That's a little something for your troubles. Plus, of course, if you like sticking around and taking a shot at a real business. Guaranteed 7 figures in the first 18 months. Excited to see you spend it. What do you say?
What do you think?
This is the place. All things are possible. Call me Agent Shavers.
The FBI's into the kidnapping business now?
You work for me.
What are you talking about?
Bribing an official. Racketeer. You have no idea what you've gotten yourself into. Just ask yourself, are you doing something wrong?
Are we? Why is the FBI all over me?
He's jealous. He sees what you have, he sees what you're gonna have, and he's lugging it away for chump change.
You let me walk right into it, Ivan.
This is your job. You want a clear conscience? Go start a charity. But if you want your own island, and your boss says you gotta go out there and take a beating, go out there, take it, come back to work, and say, do you need me to do it again?
us the evidence on block.
What I have to do to get out of this. I can't do it alone.
You know I'm with you.
Those are crocodiles.
You know, at the casino when they give you chips, they say, "Good luck, sir." They don't tell you that "sir" means dummy. "Good luck" means... What are you going to do?
Runner.
I want to ask you what part of the country you come from.
I originate from Canada. I guess where that is.
Oh, I know where Canada is. I've been there myself.
They'll travel for a slave.
Solomon Northam is an expert player on the violin.
I was born a free man. Lived with my family in New York.
Be good for your mother.
Till the day I was deceived,
Solomon.
kidnapped, sold into slavery.
Stephen Returns.
Well, boy, how you feel now?
My name is Solomon Northam. I'm a free man.
And you have no right whatsoever to detain me.
You're no free man. You're nothing but a Georgia runaway. We're down to the river Jordan.
And that servant
And don't obey his Lord.
shall be beaten with many stripes.
That's scripture.
The condition of your laborers, it's all wrong.
They're my property.
You say that with pride.
I say it as fact.
Right.
Man does how he pleases with his property.
You come here. I said come here.
Days ago, I was with my family in my home. Now you tell me all is lost.
If you want to survive, do and say as little as possible.
Solar horizon.
But I don't want to survive.
For the year when
I want to live.
Don't you know something? I did as instructed. There's something wrong. It's wrong with the instruction.
Master brought you here to work. Any more will earn you 100 lashes. I know what it's like to be the object of Master's lash. In his own time, good Lord will manage them all.
I will survive. I will not fall into despair. I will keep myself hardy till freedom is opportune.
I was a free man. I'm not a slave.
Here's a slave. This is a actual true story.
Ryan's okay. You got a good movie going? What's your movie?
Which is The Counselor.
Okay. Is it funny or a drama?
Drama.
Oh, drama. Don't let it scare you.
How much you loan you? I ain't got that kind of cash lying around to bail you out. Bro, you want to get a drink later?
Yeah.
And a liquid dinner? You want another? No. Rodney was supposed to leave me here half hour ago.
Now, why the hell you want to go out?
I just need the money.
You're gonna be a good boy and take a dive. We're gonna have to teach you a lesson.
They haven't been able to find your brother. The people up in those hills have their own breed of justice. It does not include us.
It's the grub. It's the worst. He hunts those mountains.
Please don't do anything for me. You don't want to go there.
We're gonna give one shot at this guy. You ready for this?
Ronnie Bays' his brother.
I ain't leaving without him.
Forgive me my sins, O Lord. Forgive me my sins. Forget and forgive what we have done.
You're a good kid with a good heart. Hey, Dad. I love you.
look for a Blu-ray DVD for digital. By the class featuring instruction, www.filmmates.com.pa8.org.